Hello! If you love learning English and hearing new stories every day, welcome to Chasing English. Today you will meet Lily. Lily is our new friend in this story. She loves English. She loves reading the news and listening to short videos. She is curious, kind, and a little shy. Lily lives in a small room with many books. She has a little desk, a warm lamp, and a phone that plays English videos. In the morning, she drinks tea and reads a short news piece. In the evening, she watches a friendly YouTube talk. She writes one new sentence in her notebook every day. Lily smiles when she learns a new phrase, but sometimes she still feels nervous when she talks. A long time ago, Lily learned English at school. Her books had rules and long grammar pages. Teachers gave her lists of words. She tried hard. She did lots of homework. But when she listened to real people, on the street, in movies, or on YouTube, she felt lost. The words came fast. People joined words together. They used short, quick phrases. Lily thought, why do I not sound like them? If you feel the same, you are not alone. Lily is not slow. She is not broken. She just learned one kind of English, the school kind. Real people speak in another way. They use small words, sounds that join, and lots of short phrases. They do not always speak like the book. On Chasing English, we will learn how people really talk. We will learn simple, everyday English, the kind that feels alive. We will learn how to think in English, how to copy the way people speak, and how to practice every day. Lily will learn with us step by step. She will try small exercises, like talking to herself, copying short videos, and saying phrases out loud. If you want to get better, please watch our videos every day. Practice with Lily. Try the small steps in your own life. Soon, you will hear real English better, and you will speak with more confidence. Ready? Let's help Lily begin, and let's begin together. Lily sat at her desk and watched a short video. The teacher in the video said something that made Lily stop. "You do not speak like real people," the teacher said. Lily felt a little sad. She also felt curious. She wanted to know why. First, Lily learned 5 simple reasons. She read them slowly and wrote them in her notebook. 1. Lily always thought in her first language and then translated. She made a sentence in her head and then tried to change it into English. That made her slow. When people speak, they do not translate. They feel and speak. Lily needed to train her brain to think in English. 2. Lily used only textbook English. In school, she learned, "I am fine, thank you." Real people say, "Hey, what's up?" or "I'm good. You?" Lily smiled when she heard that. The words were smaller and faster. They felt natural. 3. Lily spoke too slowly and too safely. She tried to make every sentence perfect. She moved word by word. Real talk is a flow. People make small mistakes and keep talking. Lily saw that mistakes are okay. 4. Lily practiced in a quiet way. She read rules and did slow listening CDs. But real talk is messy. People say like, and you know. They connect words and drop small sounds. Lily needed messy practice too. Copying real voices, not just rules. 5. Lily wanted perfection. She waited for the perfect sentence. While she waited, people around her kept talking and living. Lily decided to change. She wanted to speak to be understood, not to be perfect. Next, Lily tried to hear how people really speak. She learned about small changes in words. She learned contractions. I am, I'm. You are, you're. They have, they've. These small changes helped her speak faster and sound more natural. Lily also saw how people drop words. Are you coming with me? Could be, you coming. Did you eat yet? Could be, eat yet. At first, Lily was surprised, but it made sense. When you know the meaning, you can drop some small words. She practiced connected speech. That means words join together. What are you doing? Sounds like, what you doing? Lily laughed when she tried. Her mouth felt strange at first, but the more she copied, the easier it became. Lily learned about small words people use all the time. Words like well, you know, so, and anyway. These words give time to think. They are not bad. They make speech feel human. Lily started using them a little, and she felt less pressure. She also learned to use short reactions. Textbooks say full sentences. Real life uses short answers. If someone asks, "Did you see that?" you can answer, "Yeah," or "No way," or "Wow." Lily practiced these short replies aloud. They felt fun. Lily listened for tone. Tone is how your voice moves up and down. Yeah can be a question. Yeah can be calm. Yeah can be excited. Lily played with her voice and felt the difference. Her words became more alive. Rhythm helped Lily a lot. She began to speak in small groups of words, not one by one. Instead of, "I want to go to the store now," she said, "I wanna go to the store real quick." Her voice started to sound like music. Rhythm made her sentences flow. Then Lily started small daily habits. She spoke to herself out loud in the morning. She talked about her breakfast. "I'm drinking tea. The toast is hot." She did mirror practice for 5 minutes. She picked a 1-minute video and copied the speaker's tone and speed. She recorded herself and listened the next day. Lily made a simple plan: 10 minutes speaking to herself, 5 minutes in the mirror, 15 minutes shadowing a short video. She did this every day. At first, it felt strange. After 1 week, she noticed small changes. Her voice was a little stronger. She felt braver. She tried the name everything game on a walk: chair, bag, car, sky. Then she said short sentences. "The sky is blue. The bus is full." This helped her stop translating. Her brain began to choose English faster. Lily also learned to listen like a speaker. She did active listening. She picked a 30-second clip. First, she listened for meaning. Then she listened for how the words joined. Then she repeated the clip aloud. This practice gave her better ears and a stronger mouth. Finally, Lily began to collect speech chunks, short, ready-made phrases. She wrote down, "Hey, what's going on?" "That's awesome. I'm not sure." "Anyway, I gotta go." She said each chunk 5 times and used them that day. These pieces became tools she could use in real talk. By the end of the week, Lily felt different. She still made mistakes. She still felt shy sometimes. But she spoke more, she laughed more, and most of all, she kept going. In the next part, Lily will learn how to think in English and how to track small wins. Keep practicing with Lily. You are doing great. Lily woke up with a big idea. "Today, I will think in English." She smiled and tried her first small exercise. She looked at her cup and said, "This is my cup." Then she thought, "I am happy." She did this for 1 minute. It felt strange, but she liked it. Next, Lily used the name everything game again. She walked around her room and named things out loud: bed, lamp, book, phone. Then she made tiny sentences. "The lamp is warm. The book is new." These short steps helped her brain pick English first. Little by little, she stopped translating from her first language. Lily also tried the mental movie trick. She imagined a short story in her head. She said the story in English: "I walk to the park. I see 2 dogs. They play together." This made English into pictures. When Lily saw pictures, English came faster. She practiced the 1-minute thinking drill every morning. 1 minute about breakfast. 1 minute about her plans. 1 minute about a happy memory. At first, she had to pause. After a few days, she needed fewer pauses. Her brain began to choose English more often. Lily learned to listen like a speaker, not like a student. She picked short videos and listened many times. First, she listened for the meaning. Then she listened for the rhythm and sound. Then she copied small parts out loud. She stopped only when she needed to catch the sound. This made her ears better. She loved shadowing. Lily picked a 1-minute clip of a friendly speaker. She played 10 seconds, paused, and repeated exactly. She copied the speed, the tone, and the small sounds. At first, her voice did not match. After several tries, her voice sounded closer to the video. She felt proud. Lily practiced mouth training too. She chose 1 sentence each day. She looked in the mirror and watched her mouth move. She copied the shape of the words. She said the sentence 5 times. Her mouth became stronger. Speaking felt easier. Lily worked on stress and intonation. She learned that some words are louder and some are soft. She tried a simple sentence. I didn't say she stole the money. She said it many ways and heard how the meaning changed. This was fun and a little like singing. She also learned to use speech chunks. Each day she picked 3 small phrases. Hey, what's up? That's awesome. I gotta go. She said each phrase 10 times. She used them when she talked to friends online. These chunks made her sentences faster and more natural. Lily kept a small journal. Every night she recorded one voice note for 2 minutes. She saved the file and listened after 1 week. She could hear change. Her voice sounded braver. She wrote 1 line in her notebook. Today I used, "That's awesome," in a chat. Small wins felt big. Most of all, Lily stopped being afraid of mistakes. She told herself, mistakes mean I speak. She tried a simple exercise. Speak for 3 minutes without stopping. Do not edit. Do not delete. When she listened later, she marked one place to improve and tried again. This made mistakes into helpers, not enemies. Lily also practiced using new words in context. If she learned the word grateful, she said 3 sentences. I am grateful for tea. I am grateful for my friend. I am grateful for this video. Saying a word many times in real sentences made it hers. At the end of each week, Lily looked back. She listened to her first recording and her last. She smiled. She could hear the difference. Her rhythm felt better. Her voice felt warmer. She felt more like a speaker, not just a student. You can do the same with Lily. Try the 1-minute drill. Try shadowing. Try mouth training. Try speech chunks. Make small steps every day. Little practice becomes big progress. Keep going. You and Lily are on the same path. Lily felt brave. She wanted to make a plan she could follow every day. She made a small, easy schedule on a paper. It had only 3 things. Speak out loud, shadow a short video, and record 1 voice note. She liked that it was short. It did not feel hard. Every morning, Lily did the 1-minute thinking drill. She picked a topic and thought in English for 1 full minute. Then she said 2 sentences out loud about the topic. This warmed up her brain. It was fast, but it helped her choose English first. In the afternoon, Lily practiced in front of the mirror. She smiled and spoke like she was talking to a friend. She used the speech chunks she learned. She said, hey, what's going on? That's awesome. Anyway, I gotta go. She moved her face and hands. This made her feel real and warm. Each evening, Lily picked a short 1-minute video. She practiced shadowing. She played 10 seconds, paused, and copied the voice. She matched the speed and the rhythm. Some days she laughed at how funny her voice sounded. Some days she sounded close to the video. All days she improved a little. Lily made a rule. Speak for 3 minutes without stopping. She used her phone to record. She talked about anything, her day, her plans, a song she liked. She never stopped to fix mistakes. Later she listened and learned 1 small thing to fix. She did this 3 times a week. This made mistakes less scary. One day Lily went out to buy coffee. The barista asked, "What can I get for you?" Lily felt the old fear, but she remembered her chunks. She smiled and said, "Hi, can I get a small latte, please?" The barista smiled back. Lily paid and said, "Thanks. Have a great day." She felt a small joy inside. Real people understood her. Her voice was not perfect, but it worked. Lily also used English with a friend online. Her friend was kind and patient. Lily wrote short voice messages and used her new phrases. She said, "I'm kind of tired today, but I'm happy we can chat." Her friend replied, "That's awesome. Let's catch up tomorrow." Lily felt proud. She used real English, not school English. Every week, Lily checked her progress. She listened to the first voice note from the week and the last one. She wrote down 1 small win. Maybe she used a new chunk in a message. Maybe her rhythm sounded better. She did not judge herself. She celebrated small steps. Each win gave her more energy. Lily learned to change her self-talk. When fear came, she said, "I am an English speaker. I practice every day." She looked in the mirror and said it out loud. Her voice felt stronger. She noticed that when she believed she could, she tried more. More trying made more change. Little by little, Lily started to enjoy mistakes. She saw them as clues to learn. If she said a sentence wrong, she tried it again. If someone did not understand, she used a different chunk. She never stopped speaking. She learned that being understood is the goal, not being perfect. Lily's life began to fill with small English moments. She named things on her walk. She repeated a short phrase in the cafe. She used a chunk in a chat. These small moments added up. Her rhythm grew, her mouth felt stronger, and her heart felt lighter. Soon, Lily felt ready for the next step. She wanted to train her mouth more, learn strong word stress, and play with intonation like music. She felt excited to keep going. You are walking with Lily now. Keep your small plan. Keep your 3-minute recordings. Keep your speech chunks. The next part will show how Lily sounds even more confident and how she finishes her journey with a warm, happy ending. Lily kept practicing every day. She did her short routine. She did mouth training, stress practice, and shadowing. Little by little, her voice grew stronger. She could feel the change inside her. Speaking felt more natural and less scary. She learned to use stress and rhythm like music. She practiced one sentence with different feelings. She said it happy, then tired, then surprised. This made her speech lively. People could feel her meaning without perfect grammar. That made Lily smile. Lily also learned to listen like a speaker. She listened for patterns and copied them. She did active listening every day. When she spoke with friends, she used speech chunks and short reactions. People understood her. She felt connected. Most of all, Lily changed her mind about mistakes. She stopped hiding. She knew mistakes mean practice. She recorded herself, listened, and tried again. Each small try made her better. Her confidence grew step by step. One sunny morning, Lily met a new friend at a small market. The friend asked, "How long have you been learning English?" Lily answered, "I practice every day. I speak a little, but I keep going." The friend smiled and said, "You sound great. Keep it up." Lily felt proud. She knew her small system worked. Now Lily wants to tell you something kind. If you learn with her, do these small things. Speak out loud, shadow short videos, use speech chunks, and record your voice. Do a little every day. Even 10 minutes helps. Track one small win each week. Celebrate it. Remember to change your words about yourself. Say, "I am an English speaker. I improve every day." Look in the mirror and say it out loud. Be gentle with yourself. Give time for small steps. Your voice will grow with practice. Thank you for helping Lily in this story. If you like these lessons, please stay with Chasing English. Watch short videos every day. Try the exercises with Lily. Leave a comment about your small wins. Share one sentence you used this week. If you want, subscribe to the channel and join our friendly community. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep smiling. English is not a test. It is a way to meet the world. See you in the next story. And remember, little steps become big change.